Friends, welcome to the subject Business Intelligence. We're in session number 7, and today's topic is information users and their requirements. Point number 1. Today, IT applications have matured to such a state that it can typically be used by anyone. Point number 2. In an enterprise, it is essential to deliver right information to the right authorized user at the right time. So students, information has got lot of importance today in the IT competitive edge, and information should be available with the right user at right time, and the information should be right. Now we'll take up what are the categories of users who use the information. One, first category, employees, partners, suppliers, customers, investors, analysts, prospective employees, and general public interested in the business affairs of the enterprise. So these people form the one of the category. Second category is office goers, mobile users, home office users, remote securely connected users, casual visitors to website, and digital visitors who conduct transactions using the internet. The third category is business leaders, decision makers, operation managers, project managers, junior executives, and trainees who have hierarchy. Fourth category is role based users who have access to certain category of IT applications, certain level of classified information, access to specific systems, and even specific operations they are allowed to perform. Fifth category is securely connected users who may be allowed to access specific servers from a specific location during specific hours. Sixth category is administrative users who configure the IT environment, manage users access control, executives execute antivirus programs, perform anti-theft checks, etc. So these are six. Now going to the seventh category, users who have permission to read or update or have full control over the enterprise information. That is the person who got all the rights: read, write, execute, and update. Eighth category is knowledge workers, analytical users who discover new patterns in the enterprise data to help business make innovative moves in the marketplace for competitive advantage. Students, there are analytical users, knowledge workers who use the information for competitive success. Ninth category is multi-device access users who sometimes work in office, move in the field, use different devices ranging from desktop systems to handheld smartphones to connected to the enterprise IT application. Students, so we have studied 9 categories of information users. Okay, so this is a vast exhaustive category. Now we'll go to the next subtopic called as common expectations of users from the information system. So we have listed some common expectations of the users. We'll study them one by one. First, smooth authentication and access to authorized resources. Students' access to the resources should be very smooth, or there should not be any difficulty in seeking the authentication and access to the authorized resources. Second, availability of IT applications 24 into 7 into 365 days. Students' IT applications should be available all the time. There should not be any hindrance or lack at any time. Third, speed of information delivery without having to wait long for response from systems. So, speed of information delivery should be very fast, or there should not be delay in access to the information. Fourth, ease of navigation and simple user experience with personalized capabilities. Students, there should be it is should be easy to navigate. Also, students users should have a very good experience, okay, regarding access to the information. Going to the next fifth point, secure delivery and transport of data to and from the IT applications. Sixth, secure transactions completion and rollback, especially involving monetary transactions. Students, secure transaction is very important in case of monetary transactions. Also, there should be rollback facility if something is going wrong. Seventh, consistent, accurate information and ability to recover, restart from faults. And eighth category is anytime, anywhere, any device centric information delivery. Students, any user would expect the information should be available anytime, anywhere, and device centric information delivery. Students, so today we considered different categories of information users and their expectations. I'll be sending the PDF of this. Please write it in your the notebook. Okay. I'll be sending video also. Study well.